For today's makeup look, we're doing this Witchy inspired purple and gold star rhinestone makeup look, combining dark sparkly colors with star rhinestones. To start this look, I'm starting with light gray and putting this in the corners and the crease, and blending this up towards the eyebrows. Then using a medium gray shade, I'm putting this in the outer corners and the crease, blending into the lighter gray. Then adding black into the crease and blending into the darker gray. Then filling in the eyelids with black. Then using that same dark gray underneath the eyes. And filling in the waterline with black eyeliner. Then using a sparkly purple shade. And applying this to the inner corners and above the crease, just in the inner corners of the eye. Then using a light pink and putting this above the rest of the crease. Then using a sparkly gold in the very inner corners. Then I'm applying some gold star rhinestones, keeping the rhinestones around the inner corners and above the crease. Then adding some gold round shaped rhinestones as well. Then using mascara and false lashes to finish the look. And that completes this Witchy star rhinestone makeup look. I really like the combination of the dark colors and the gold rhinestones. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.